He trolls me.
A quick snap, the toss back, bouncing around.
four
Huff,
times.
come
Change
on.
hands.
No way.
Throws across his
No,
body.
no. He's a walking highlight reel, man.
I mean, if you're not going to throw it
What
behind your
is
back,
that?
you might as well do a quadruple reverse flea flicker touchdown to Lou Shiesty.
Do you know what that
And
does
if
to
I've
you?
ever seen a play that was
What in the
Shiesty, it's
world?
capped off by a guy with Shiesty in his name.
By the
Ridiculous
way he's
great play.
playing.
Oh my gosh.
Take a look. One,
One, two.
Three.
three right here.
Flea flicker.
Then right back to Huff.
Now everybody's just
And
like,
then look
oh,
at him. Hey, bro, what
What
are
do
you
we
doing
even
over
do?
there? I don't want you there. Wide open.
They broke the server there.